परिषद आदरणीय शाळा ओतुटे इयत्ता तिसरी. Good morning, my dear citizen of India. We all have gathered here to celebrate the day of the 77th anniversary of Independence Day. Special thanks to everyone and special thanks to everyone providing me with and this providing me with an opportunity to address everyone and special day to deliver a patriotic meaningful speech. As we all know, the 15th of August in India 1947 is an important day in Indian history, a day of honor and pride. Every Indian citizen, it is the day when our India got its freedom from almost 200 years from of British region. So what actually freedom from